If you want to learn how to search on x.com, also known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find posts, accounts, and topics using the search feature on X. This is one of the fastest ways to discover content, follow trends, and look up anything specific on the platform. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your X account on your computer or laptop. Once you're on the homepage, look at the left side navigation menu. You'll see several options there, and the one you want to click is Explore. This section is where X makes discovery and search easier, especially if you want to browse trending topics or search for something specific. After you click Explore, look at the search box at the top of the page. This is the main search field you'll use to find whatever you're looking for. Click inside the search box and type in your keyword, phrase, hashtag, account name, or topic. Be as specific as possible if you want better results. For example, you can search for a person, a company, a news topic, or even a trending hashtag. Once you've entered your search term, simply hit enter on your keyboard. X will instantly load the search results and show you posts, latest updates, people, media, and more related to your keyword. From there, you can browse the results and refine your search if needed. If the results are too broad, try using a more specific phrase. If you want the latest posts, check the latest tab. If you want trending or popular content, the top results can be useful too. You can also use filters on X to narrow down what kind of content you want to see. And that's all there is to it. Searching on x.com is really that simple once you know where to click. Just open Explore, use the search box at the top, type your keyword, and press enter. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.